Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking headphones. This is called ComfoRun and this is done by a company called Edifier. This is an open ear wireless sport headphones that will last you at least 17 hours before charging. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this little paper that is in a lot of different languages, and it just talks about the importance of safety. It also comes with this little manual, and this manual looks like a brochure once you open it. It has a lot of different options that you can go through and you can play with, so you can learn more about your headphones in this case. And you can go through it, how to reset, how to charge it. Also controls and water resistance, and there's some information that you can get access to, but again it has everything that you need on this page and where you can get your support from. Now it also comes with a charging wire, and you can see the charging part of it is a little bit different than the other ones that we've seen. One side is USB type A, and it comes the headphone itself. This is how it looks. It's nice and you can see how soft it is, but again, once you put it on your head, I'm sure that you're going to like it more. There's little parts that you can take off. There's some buttons right here, and then the name. And you can see on this side where the charging goes, the earpiece itself that goes above your ear and then into the front. Now, going on this side of it, you can see there is some holes, and those going to be your mic. And then going to the back part of it, you have some little spaces too. So this is how it's going to hook up. Now this side has nothing and just have this part. We're going to test those parts out, but there's no button. And then same thing on this side, you can take this off. And this is how nice it will look. And again, the little part, so you can check it out. But this part is really nice and soft. And once you put it on, this is how it looks. So when you are going to put it on your ear, this is how it will be covering your ear. But you can see that in the bottom and all, you can still hear stuff around you while you're going to be able to take your call or listen to music and do your exercise in this case. Now, same thing on this side. What you need to do is just put it above your ear, and it just goes in the back. And that's about it. And that's how easy it is to set it up. And this is how it looks at the back. And then this part will go at the back of your head. Alright, so now we will get the headphone connected to this smartphone. So we will scroll down and go to Bluetooth. Hold for a couple of seconds for it to come up. And then we will turn on the headphones itself. So hold the power button a couple of seconds. And then you will see that blinking. Now if you look on your list, it will show up. And mine is the first one, which is right over here. So I will select it. It will beep and say pair selected. Once it is connected, you will see that it will tell you it's 100% charge. And once you go to it, it will tell you that you can pick up calls, and also the audio name is sitting on the top. And if you zoom in the bottom, you will have the rename, disconnect, and also unpair, just like always on every Android phones. And now let's go through and test it out. So in order to pause and unpause the video, it's very easy to process. The buttons that you have on the top, the middle one that turns on and off if you hold it for 3 seconds, you can grab that and press it once and it should pause. And when you press it again, it unpauses. That's how fast it affects. You see that? So that's how you're also going to be able to pick up calls and hang up calls. It's the same button. But the one that is beside it is going to be for volume, that you can make the volume up or down. It's really good. In this part of the video, we will wear the headphone and then we're going to click record. So this way you can tell how we will grab the voice when we are in a quiet room and also with sound background noise. So this way you know exactly when you have a call, how it will sound on the other end. So number one, we will put a little indentation right over here once the recording starts, so you know that the voice is not from this camera, rather from the actual earphones. So here we go. Let's just go through it. And I know that through this video, I'm changing the names of earbuds to earphones. And just to make sure that you guys know that exactly what I'm talking about is the actual earphones that I'm wearing right now. So let's just go in next. So now the sound is coming from the earphones and not from this camera right over here. So this is how it really sounds, and I hope this sounds really good in a quiet room. And we will switch it in a couple of seconds to the one with a lot of noise. And now this is with the background noise on, and this is how it will sound and how it will pick up our voice directly from the headphones. So I hope that this sounds really good, because for me I cannot really tell at the moment, but once I do the video editing I will notice that how good it will sound. Overall it sounds really good. If you have any voice that are over 50%, other people around you can hear that noise. Yes, that sound or that music that you're going to play or talk on the phone. So it's really good that if you want to keep the noise a little bit lower, and this will work really good for you. I have to mention also that if you want to listen to some songs with bass, this will do the job really good. Kind of like you're in a room and listening to some music. It does the job perfectly for you. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video where you can order it from. Except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment at the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.